Hey everyone, this is Joe once again and welcome to another episode of Motor Gadget. In today's video, I am going to share to you yung ating experience in getting our Insta360 action camera repaired through Insta360 Authorized Repair Center. At in this video, I'm going to share to you yung process, yung cost at yung turnaround time in getting your action camera repair. Pero bago ang lahat, I would really appreciate if you can hit that subscribe button and that notification down below para ma-notify ka on each time that we have a new upload. So ayun na nga, nasiraan tayo ng unit early this year at yung unit na nasira sa atin is yung ating Insta360 One RS action camera. And at the time of na nasira yung ating action camera, ang ating action camera ay out of warranty na at ang nangyari kasi sa kanya is napasukan siya ng tubig. Although it is waterproof up to a certain level, unfortunately dahil nilagay ko siya sa binabagsakan ng waterfalls which is sobrang taas ng pressure na yon, na-force yung tubig na pumasok sa unit natin at nasira siya. So just an FYI to any one of you who is going to use this unit sa mga waterfalls. For regular swimming and ulan and pools, nagamit ko na siya before and wala namang issue. So just an FYI. So ang unit na to nga pala ay nabili na lang natin online and binili natin siya sa Lazada, not on authorized local stores dito. Pero okay naman kasi kinikater pa rin naman ng Insta360 yung repair ng unit kahit na sa online mo lang siya. Kailangan mo lang ipakita yung receipt or screenshot ng information during the time of the order. On my end, ang ginawa ko lang is nag-send ako sa kanila ng screenshot ng order ko na to. Now, para mapaayos ko yung unit, I contacted Insta360. Meron silang webpage or meron din silang Facebook page. You can choose any of those. At nag-chat ako sa kanila about my unit and they asked me questions. They asked me to fill out some forms and all that. At the end, they gave me a return authorization para i-return yung ating action camera. At the time na nasira yung ating action camera, wala pang authorized repair center dito sa Pilipinas. So they advised me na kailangan ko i-ship yung item to Singapore, which is their authorized repair center, and kailangan kong of course bayaran yung shipping at custom fees, which is hassle at the time. So ang nangyari is dahil nga nahirapan akong i-ship yung item kasi locally, I asked LBC, I asked JRS, at sabi nila sa akin hindi sila nag-ship ng unit overseas. Ang sin-ship lang nila is documents for some reason. So ang ginawa ko is hindi ko na muna i-ship at nag-antay ako until matapos yung aming bakasyon kasi we had to go on a vacation at that time. So pagbalik ko after vacation, doon ko na lang ulit siya na asikaso. At this time, I contacted Insta360 once again kasi I believe yung RMA or return authorization natin ay may certain point of expiration para i-return mo siya. So I have to contact them and ask them kung pwede ko pang ma-return yung unit. And they replied back to me na pwede ko pang ibalik ang unit, and they also informed me na meron na tayong authorized repair center dito sa Pilipinas, which is very good news for me. Hindi ko na kailangang i-ship or maghanap ng courier na pwede mag-ship ng damaged unit overseas kasi andito na siya sa Pilipinas. Nung pinabite na sa akin ng Insta360 yung authorized repair center, I immediately contacted TechMage. They are located in Luzon. I am in Mindanao. And nag-chat ako sa kanila and they also asked me certain questions and they asked me to send pictures of the unit and all that. So basically, nag-communicate lang kami through Messenger. Ang ending is they asked me to go ahead and send the unit papunta sa kanila. Since andito ako sa Mindanao, I have to ship it from Mindanao, of course, to Luzon. Pero yung mga taga Luzon na malapit lang sa kanila, you can drop the unit for repair sa office address nila. On getting your unit repaired, ang kailangan mo lang ipadala sa kanila is ipadala mo yung unit na na-damage lang. On my end, ang na-damage ko is ito, na unit to. Kasi yung 1RS, action camera actually is, sabi ko nga, this is a modular action camera. So, nabubuo siya. It has 3 components. Meron siyang battery base, meron siyang core, at meron siyang lens. So, ito yung nasira at the time na ginamit ko siya. Meron pa itong isang lens which is the 360 lens. Ang kailangan mo lang ipadala sa kanila basically kung ano yung nasirang unit. So, ito lang na 3 component na to, wala na yung bracket. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is ilalagay mo lang siya sa kanyang original box. Ang ginawa ko is sinip ko siya using this original box, itong 3 component na to, sa LBC papuntang Manila. And ang binayaran ko around the time, I could not remember. I think it's around 200 pesos. Mamaya ay bibigay ko sa inyo yung breakdown ng total amount na ginastos natin in getting this unit repaired. So, ayun na nga, sinip natin yung ating unit to TechMage. And then, after a couple of days, nakareceive ako ng message na from TechMage mismo. And they advised me na na-receive na nila yung unit. And they even sent me a video showing me kung ano yung na-receive na nila na item, which is very good. And then, after that, a couple of days ulit, get another message from them na they had inspected the unit. At apparently, hindi nila kayang i-repair yung unit mismo dito sa Pilipinas. So what they need to do is they need to ship it back to Hong Kong para ipadala sa Insta360 Repair Center doon. So I agreed with that, and also I was informed na ang quotation how much yung magiging cost repair will depend upon the inspection sa Hong Kong Repair Center nila. Ayun na nga, they shipped the item to Hong Kong, and after, I believe, a couple of weeks, naka-receive ako ng notification from them na na-receive na ng Hong Kong and they have the quotation. So, they provided me the quotation of getting the unit repaired, and ang kailangan ko lang gawin is I just have to agree if I agree with the amount, and they will continue with the repair. So, ang ginawa ko is I just agreed, at sinabi nila sa akin na they are going to front the payment muna. So, hindi muna ako magbabayad up until ma-receive nila yung unit back sa Pilipinas, and that's the time that they're gonna contact me para bayaran at para na rin i-ship nila yung unit sa akin, which is very, very good, diba? So, after a couple of weeks, I received another notification from TechMage na na-receive na yung unit at na-repair na, of course. And this time, I have to send the payment sa kanilang GCash account or yung kanilang bank account. And after I pay the amount, sinip back na nila yung unit papunta sa atin via LBC. Okay, so nang na-receive na natin yung item, doon ka nakita ang ginawa ng Insta360 mismo. So, like I said, may 3 component ang Insta360 One RS. Kung X4, I think buo lang yon. Ito lang yung Insta360 action camera na modular. So, ang ginawa nila is actually hindi lang talaga nila ni-repair yung unit itself. So, what I got is they replaced yung component na nasira, which is, for me, it's really, really good kasi, kumbaga, parang bago yung mga components instead na repaired yung component na yon. So, ang na-receive natin is sealed na battery base at yung core na-receive natin. Apparently, yung lens niya is walang damage, so hindi nila yon ni-replace. So, itong dalawang to na part ang na-damage, kaya ito yung dalawang part na to ang ni-replace nila. So, ayun, ang ginawa ko na lang is, of course, na-receive ko rin, of course, dito yung original box na sinend ko sa kanila, at nakalagay lang dito is yung lens lang. So, ang ginawa ko is, of course, binuo ko ulit yung ating action camera, and I tested it, and of course, it is working just fine. Okay, so about the cost naman, ito yung total amount na binayaran natin para maayos yung ating Insta360 action camera. So first off is yung shipping ng item from Mindanao going to Luzon or to TechMage. Ang binayaran natin, I don't really remember how much the total amount is, but it's around 200 pesos. I would say 200 pesos to ship the unit from Mindanao going to TechMage Philippines. And next na binayaran natin after that is yung quotation to get the unit repaired. So, ang binigay sa ating quotation ng TechMage or Insta360 at TechMage is 8,731 pesos para maayos yung unit, which is pesos. Yes, I don't know if you can see it, pero ito yon, 8,731 pesos, which I agreed at binayaran natin through GCash. And after that, they have to ship the item or the unit back to us, and that cost 195 pesos. And by the way, when I ship the item going to TechMage via LBC, hindi ko siya in-insure. So, regular courier lang siya, by the way, kasi sabi ko nga sira naman. So, just in case you guys are wondering. So, all in all, ang binayaran natin with all those costs that I mentioned, ang total is 9,126 pesos. Alright, so about naman sa amount na binayaran natin, if you're gonna ask me if it's worth it, I would say for me it is worth it. Although medyo malaki na rin yung amount na yun kasi makakabili ka na rin ng like second hand action cameras but that. Pero kasi ako gusto ko pa rin itong Insta360 action camera na ginagamit ko kasi tested ko na siya at dual lens pa siya. So ito talaga yung gusto kong maayos. So for me it's worth it than buying a second-hand action camera. Kasi alam mo, pag bumili ka ng Insta360 One RS at yung single lens lang, which is the boost lens lang, it's gonna cost you around 15 to 16,000. So, 9,000 is, I think, worth it for me. Kesa naman ipaayos ko siya locally with other unauthorized technician at di pa ako sigurado if talagang maayos yung unit itself. So, yeah, for me, it is worth it. Sa turnaround time, I would just start counting nung shinip natin yung item papunta sa TechMage. So, according here, ang recorded date na shinip ko siya is July 22. And then, na-receive natin siya dito sa atin, pabalik, September 3 na. So, I counted the days. That's 43 days exactly. So, kung papaayos kayo, expect nyo na yung turnaround time. That's over a month. So 43 days is around 1.5. Yeah, around 1.5 months para maayos yung unit ninyo. Depende na lang sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-antay ng ganon. As for me kasi, I have no choice but to wait for it kasi ang ginawa natin is bumili na lang tayo ng bagong action camera which is the Insta360 Ace Pro. So, kung ito lang yung, isa lang yung action camera ninyo, of course, you just have to decide whether you can wait for that kind of turnaround time para mapaayos nyo yung action camera ninyo. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Ito yung ating experience. I hope na meron kayong natutunan at least in getting your Insta360 action camera repaired. If meron kayong mga questions or comments or anything, any experience that you wanted to share about getting your Insta360 repaired, just comment down below. Kung meron man tayong mga nakalimutan, banggitin, just give it a comment and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as I can. Alright, so once again, this is Joel. If you are interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.